Now, do not go by the length of this question. This question is very easy. You just have to make efforts to read this question. Okay. Now, on a Children's Day, some toffee packets are distributed to the children who are sitting in a certain number of rows. In each row, there are as many children as the number of rows. So let's say the number of rows is equal to x, and that means number of children in every row will also be equal to x. So total number of children will be equal to, so I'll write total number of children. So total number of children will be equal to x multiplied by x, that is equal to x square. This is the total number of children, right? Now each child gets as many toffee packets as the number of children in each row. Number of children in each row is x. So total number of packets, total packets will be equal to number of packets received by every child, which is x, multiplied by the number of children, which is x square. So total number of packets will be x square multiplied by x, that is x cube. Okay. Next, each toffee packet has as many different flavors of toffee as the number of toffee packets given to each child. Number of toffee packets given to each child was x. Okay, so total number of flavors or total number of toffees now will be x multiplied by x cube, that is x raised to the power 4, provided it is given that there is only one toffee of each flavor in each packet, and no flavor of toffees is the same in any packet for any child, right? So this will be the total number of toffees, that is x raised to the power 4, which is given as n, right? So now we'll have to find out which of the following is definitely true about the number of toffees n. Now n is an even number, n is a perfect square, n is a cube of an integer, n is divisible by 4. Now n is x raised to the power 4, where x is a natural number. So I can say that n, since it's a perfect power of 4, it will also be a perfect square. It is not necessary that it will be a cube of an integer, not necessarily. Also, if x is an odd number, then the value of n will also be odd. So option A is not necessarily true. Option C is not necessarily true. Again, option D is also not necessarily true if x is an odd number. So I can say that option B, that is n is a perfect square, is definitely true. And that will be the answer of question number 18.